In this SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to go over the Move Faces feature. So let's say, for example, we've got a sheet metal part here with a stamped out face that we want to move in the Z direction down here. So if we go to Insert, Face, Move, it gives us some directionality to move it. We can select this face here in this dialog box here. We can rotate it, we can offset it depending on what we want to do. So if we want to rotate about the x-axis, for example, you can see the preview without breaking the wall. The thickness of the feature is going to determine how much you can rotate it, but you can see if we select OK there, it would make it more diagonal. We go back now. That's one example of moving the face via rotation. We can also, instead of rotate, translate, select this face again. You can see if we select the Z direction, we're going to bring it out, add more depth there. Select OK. You can see this this box got larger, but notice the depth of the stamp is still the same. So if we do a section view now and select the right plane, you can see the thickness of that stamp out increased without removing material, from the shell. So that's how you use Move Faces. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.